That's why God gave him the talent of singing, so he could do just
There
that.
we go.
Amen.
Don't play
Friday Marvin will get back here next week.
I'm glad I didn't have to try to lead the music. I left.
You might be next, right?
Joe called me this week and asked me if I would do music, so I picked a song out and started practicing it, and it was like, I just don't think I'm going to make it with that one, so I changed it up, and we're going to try this one. It's called Don't That Sound Like Heaven. I first heard this on the radio coming back from Arkansas, and I was blown away by the words, and I can't do it justice, but listen to the words. My brother, when I told him had he ever heard it, he said, I read those lyrics in a magazine and it made me cry. So,
Oh my.
try.
Tissue, tissue.
Oh
Now there's a window into heaven. I can close my eyes and see where there are no earthly struggles, and the soul there is set free, and the deaf and dumb are shouting, 'cause the blind can finally see, and those old crippled legs are dancing out across that crystal sea. Now there's a special place in heaven where those unborn babies play, and they're rocked in arms by mamas whose chance had slipped away. And all those unwanted children, they say, my daddy, he's the king. And there's smiles on all their faces as they spin around and sing. Now don't that sound like heaven? Don't that sound like home, where the Son of God is reigning, and those tears are finally gone? Don't that sound like heaven? Don't that sound like home? The darkness there is overtaken by the light that's always on. Now the price of heaven, it's expensive. Oh, but don't you worry about the cost, 'cause it was paid in full by Jesus as he hung upon the cross. And all those things he promised will be there just like he said, as an eternal reminder of that precious blood he shed. Don't that sound like heaven? Don't that sound like home, where the Son of God is reigning, and those tears are finally gone? Now don't that sound like heaven? Don't that sound like home? The darkness there, it's overtaken by the light that's always on. The darkness there it's overtaken by the light that's always on.